Here I have Mercedes GLB, and let me show you how to enable the manual shifting in the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's swipe a few times to the left until you see the settings. Choose here settings. From the following view, all you need to do is use the second tab, which is vehicle. Then select here the first one, which is driving. And as you can see here, you can enable the manual shifting. Let's use this toggle. And right now, it keeps the transmission in manual mode for use with steering wheel pedals. So if you would like to use the manual shifting, you can keep it that way, or you can disable this feature by using this toggle as well. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.